Well, Norfolk Southern engineer and gonna try to make you YouTube famous. Thanks for giving me lots of honks and toots. Someone wasn't as interested in waiting for a train as I was. Oh my goodness. So before I was rail fanning with my son and did this J&J rail fans, I'd not be excited to find a train. But now we're rail fanners. I'm happy to find a train. Matter of fact, I stopped and waited for this one for about 15 minutes for him to get going again. Got a short video when he was just starting to come, but he decided to stop for a little bit and do something. And now he's got the green and he's ready to roll. I'm in Georgetown, Indiana. This is Norfolk Southern line. They're running up to Cordon, Indiana, Cordon Junction, New Salisbury area. They'll run through Ramsey in a little bit too. Kind of our home line for J&J rail fans. We work this rail line, this Norfolk Southern line up interstate, up highway, Indiana Highway 64, up and down it. Have a lot of fun running it. Starting to go. Amazing that one just had one engine on the front. Wondering if it's got a DPU on the back. It seems pretty long. Of course, all these car carriers, car racks looked empty, so maybe it doesn't matter. May not need much power to get there. Ah, here comes the DPU though. It ain't gonna let me down. All right, here's the DPU coming up. Whoa, Joel's gonna love that. Just about to get dark out here. It's beautiful about 20 minutes ago, beautiful sunset. Have a picture of the train with sunset on it, but he wasn't moving at that point really. If you watch this, why don't you like and subscribe? We appreciate it. J&J Rail Fans out. God bless and have a good day.